Did you know you can literally eat your way to a better mood? Today, I'm showing you how to make a delicious salmon and sweet potato power bowl that supports your brain and boosts your mental health naturally. Sweet potatoes are full of complex carbs and vitamin B6, which help your body produce serotonin, that feel-good chemical we all love. Toss them with olive oil, salt, pepper, a little paprika, and roast at 400 degrees Fahrenheit 200 degrees Celsius for about 25 minutes. Salmon is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health and may help reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. Speaking head in silhouette hash, season with garlic, lemon, and a touch of dill. Cook it how you like, pan-seared, grilled, or baked. Now for the fun part, building your bowl. Start with quinoa or leafy greens, then add your roasted sweet potatoes, that gorgeous salmon, some avocado for healthy fats, and maybe some steamed broccoli or spinach for extra fiber. Top it all off with a tahini lemon drizzle, or your favorite light dressing. If you try this recipe, let me know in the comments how you feel after. Hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone who could use a feel-good meal today.